Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make Lollipop lip balm. First, gather your essential ingredients and tools. You will need 1 tablespoon of beeswax pellets, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of shea butter. Also, have your small, clean lip balm containers ready. These simple items are the foundation for creating your very own moisturizing and fun lip balm. Ensuring everything is prepared beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's melt our base ingredients. Carefully combine the beeswax pellets, coconut oil, and shea butter in a heat-safe bowl. Place this bowl over a pot of simmering water, creating a double boiler. This gentle heat ensures the ingredients melt evenly without burning. Stir the mixture continuously for about 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes a clear, smooth liquid. Patience here ensures a perfectly blended base for your lip balm. With your base melted, it's time to add some personality. Carefully remove the bowl from the heat. Now, incorporate 10 to 15 drops of your chosen food-grade flavor oil. Think cherry or strawberry for that lollipop feel. For a touch of color, add a tiny pinch of cosmetic-grade mica powder. Stir everything thoroughly for about 30 seconds to ensure the flavor and color are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. This step truly brings your lip balm to life. The final step is to pour and set your delightful lip balm. Working quickly, carefully pour the warm liquid mixture into your clean lip balm containers. Fill each container almost to the very top, leaving just a tiny bit of space for expansion. Once filled, let them sit undisturbed at room temperature for at least 1 hour or until they are completely solid. Once firm, your homemade Lollipop lip balms are ready to use and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.